There is so much pressure to accelerate with AI, but we're all experimenting with AI tools in isolation. Without a way to capture and share what works, insights stay individual, and my company is struggling to develop our AI playbook. Loop is designed to fix this. It captures your team's best workflows and makes them instantly usable, turning scattered know-how into shared expertise. Here's what it looks like in practice. So I'm a UX designer, and I've been tasked with adding motion to some icons. Motion is not my expertise, but Loop can help me. So I'll open up a new project, and I'm going to add this window to Loop so that it can give me better recommendations based on what I'm working on. And I'm going to ask it for help with motion design. Maybe there's some past work at my company that I can learn from. Loop always gives 3 top recommendations, and I see this middle one for icon animation. Looks like this motion designer at my company has some expertise that others have found helpful. Let's check it out. I see she has a recent project where she animated some icons, and there's this AI tool. I'm gonna start with the recent project. Maybe there's something in here that can help me. And I see this icon here. This is really close to what I was imagining for one of my icons I'm working on. I'm curious to learn how did they do this animation. So I'll ask Loop, and I'm going to point to the icon I'm talking about. And Loop has given me now Hannah's workflow for making this icon. Hannah used Lottie files. I'm not familiar with this tool. I guess it's the latest and greatest animation tool with AI magic in it. Fair enough, I'll open that up. And I have Hannah's step-by-step guide here. I'm gonna click show to have Loop walk me through this. So I'll upload my icon here, easy enough, and then I'll select Motion Copilot. Here's my AI prompting step. This can get tricky, so I'll see what Hannah did. Hannah used a motion description and a simile. Make this expand and rotate like it's waving. In a more complex case, I might ask Loop for more help, maybe get a prompt template based on what worked for Hannah, but this is pretty short and simple. So I'll say, make this tilt right to ring like a bell. And we'll see what it does. That's left, but it's given me a good place to start. And my next step is to adjust the animation keyframes down here. So with that done, my animation is looking great. And through Loop, Hannah has really helped me accelerate with AI. You saved me a ton of time.
Oh, that's great to hear.
Yeah, how long have you been doing motion graphics?
A few years.